Get noticed in this 2008 Honda Pilot. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, a DVD system, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, power mirrors. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.